we are still with you as far as the Nigeria election is concerned. And this very moment, we are going to look at what the former president of Nigeria, Obasanjo, said. And those of you who didn't know much about him, he was ex-president of Nigeria. He is a Yoruba man, and he was the governor of state before. That was 1976 to 79. He was a governor of state. And then from there, he became the president of Nigeria as at 1999 to the year 20, 2007. Sorry, 1999 to 2007. He was a president during those years. And then he was ex-military man. Why are we talking about this? I want us to look at what he said concerning the election that was conducted on 25th of February in Nigeria 2023. So let's watch the video, what he said in the video. I don't know your take on that.
I'm constrained to speak at this point. And I crave the indulgence of the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency General Muhammadu Buhari, to make this statement because I've had opportunity to keep him aware of what I know is happening and the danger looming ahead. On many occasions in the past, I have not hesitated to point out lacuna in the action of the President and his government. But as far as the election issues that we are now facing are concerned, the President has proved beyond reasonable doubt that he will want to leave a legacy of free, fair, transparent, and credible elections. Until last Saturday night, February 25th, 2023, the good and noble plan and preparation for the elections seem to be going well. For the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, a lot of money was spent to introduce bimodal voter accreditation system, BVAS, and the server for immediate transmission of results from polling units. It is no secret that INEC officials at operational level have been allegedly compromised to make what should have worked not to work, and to revert to manual transmission of results, which is manipulated and the results doctored. The chairman of INEC may claim ignorance, but he cannot fold his hands and do nothing when he knows that election process have been corrupted, and most of the results that are brought outside BVAS and server are not true reflection of the will of Nigerians who have made their individual choice. At this stage, we do not need wittingly or unwittingly to set this country on fire with the greed, irresponsibility, and unpatriotic act of those who allegedly gave money to INEC officials for perversion and those who collected the blood money. Let me appeal to the chairman of INEC, if his hands are clean, to save Nigeria from the looming danger and disaster which is just waiting to happen. If the chairman can postpone elections 4 days to the election 4 years ago, He can do everything to rectify the errors of the last 2 days. No beavers, no result to be acceptable. And no uploading through server, no result to be acceptable. Where beavers and servers have been manipulated or rendered inactive, such results must be declared void and inadmissible for election declaration. Chairman INEC, I have thought that you will use this wonderful opportunity to mend your reputation and character for posterity. Your Excellency, President Muhammadu Buhari, tension is building up, and please let all elections that do not pass the credibility and transparency test be cancelled and be brought back, with areas where elections were disrupted, for next Saturday, March 4, 2023. And beavers and saver officials be changed. To know which stations or polling units were manipulated, let a committee of INEC staff and representatives of the 4 major political parties with the chairman of Nigeria Bar Association look into what must be done to have hitch-free elections next Saturday. Mr. President, may your plan and hope for leaving a legacy of free, fair, transparent, and credible election be realized. Mr. President, please don't let anybody say to you that it does not matter or it is the problem of INEC. On no account should you be seen as part of the collusion or compromise. When the die is cast, it will be your problem as the chief executive of this country and that of the
So,
nation.
viewers, you have heard what ex-President Obasanjo said in his interview. So, I don't know why he came out to say that, but if you have watched the video carefully, I believe you might have picked one or two things, and all boiled down to the Nigerian general election. Yes, and he was there before, and he knows how it takes for one to become a president, and how election is conducted, and then how people, I mean, jeopardize with the system, or they maneuver the system to favor some candidates. And based on what he was saying, if you could listen to him critically or very well, you know, he doesn't want, he wanted everything to be free and fair, like he wanted to be. Because looking at or hearing him, you could see that Nigerians supposed to be one people, one nation, not allowing politics or election to bring divisions among the people of Nigeria. And some other people were even saying that Nigeria is too large, too big for other African countries to contain. Nigeria is the only country they have. So if things like this, then I believe their political leaders should, think in line with what they are saying. That election is just election. As election is over, everybody's one. Even during and before, whatever, before, during, or after election, everybody should still be one, because they are one nation, one people, one everything. Yes, one blood running through everybody African. So Nigeria, I think it's high time that we have to say no. Now we are much educated, unlike before. So it is time we all begin to see ourselves as one people, and then push certain things aside or throw aside certain things, and then let us not focus on money to, I mean, do things that is not worth living. So thank you for following us on Ewenyigba TV. And my name again is Christian Adiabo. You can call me Civist. So keep following us for more updates as far as election in Nigeria is concerned and Agbaganya Makuku issues are at stake. Stay blessed.